Good morning, welcome to my channel. So flattered that you chose to click this video. I'm sure you clicked it because you want to know how I made this short. The original video was made by a gentleman teaching his son how to drive. His son almost hit the cop car, as you can see. It's been recreated a couple times. I recreated it with my daughter. It was her idea. She had seen the video of these two black dudes that I had recreated. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you the original video, the one that the two black dudes made, the one with me and my daughter, and then I'll show you how I made it.
Slow down, slow down, slow down. Brake, brake! What were you doing? Trying to hit the cop? Slow down, slow down, slow down. Brake, brake! What were you doing? Trying to hit the cop? Slow down, slow down, slow down. Brake, brake! What were you doing? Trying to hit a cop?
Oh, and how it has got many views, many comments. For the first time in internet history, nothing but positive feedback. Comments like this beautiful comment.
Is that a little girl or teen that looked like a cute little girl?
This one.
She looks at her dad say yes, sir.
Bro, the back
Take video look in the back windshield, the car even moving.
Fake.
No. Wait.
Just get to the video, bro. Okay, fine. First, get your clips that you want on there. Get to the original clip. Get the volume all the way down if you need it down. Next, get the aspect ratio where you want it to be. Next, we'll overlay this clip. And we're going to need two of these clips, so we're also going to duplicate it. And this is so easy, it literally takes about 5 minutes to do. Now I'm going to even out the length of each clip so they're equal. Now we will take one of our overlays and we're going to turn it into the dash cam view. Put it off to the side for now. Bring this one down. Grab that top clip, bring it up, position it where you want it to be. Now that you got all the clips where you want them to be, you can go to layers to make sure that that bottom layer is underneath that dash cam. Now let's see where we're at.
Slow down.
Please like and subscribe. I'm going to be making CapCut Mobile tutorials weekly.
What were you doing?
Now you can go down to the stickers, get whatever subscribe button, like button, whatever stickers you might want on there.
Slow down.
Slow down. Now since we have some black peeking through there, we're going to go ahead and go to blur under the background. Select that. Now you can't see any of the black background. Then you can go to captions, choose whichever one you want. And then you can choose what words you want highlighted as you say them. Now we will export it, and then we're actually going to load it back up under a new project, the export copy. Now we'll go in and make the final touches, get the zoom in on me, the zoom in on her. It's much easier to export the one you're working on, load it into a new project to do this. And that's pretty much it. That wraps it up. All you do after this is you go onto YouTube, TikTok, and you post it. Please like, subscribe. I got plenty of CapCut tutorials that I'm going to be making for mobile. Peace.